So we've got a little job ahead of us. We're going to take some pallets that a friend of ours very kindly dropped off, and we're going to make a leaf mould, well, a leaf clamp, because it's not too long before we start on the endless process of sweeping up leaves. We get to, what did we get last year? 40 trailers worth?
40 trailers.
And that breaks down into most wonderful mulch, doesn't it? And leaf mould, and we use it for all sorts, you know. I'm tempted to have it on toast, you know, it's so good. But we use it to top up the raised beds in the Kedder house. We put it onto fruit trees and bushes. I use it for when we've got little saplings as well. So, yeah.
And the veg patch itself.
Yeah, we get through a fair bit of it. So we used to have two separate leaf clamps, one on, which we'll show you over here. We used to have two, which was fine because this is last year's leaves here, and these are breaking down nicely, and then in the spring they'll be ready. So that's last year's leaves. In fact, this needs a repair, so when we've emptied it we'll fix it. And this one used to be the second one. So we'd normally use this in autumn to load up, but we've got a load of compo in it from the compost heap, all rotted down, and with more to come actually, because we've got to dig out the rest. So we're going to leave that as a compost store. The one near Helen here, this is wood chips and either stuff that we get chipped, or it's stuff from my lathe and turning sawdust and so on. So we're going to make another one. A couple more. Oh yeah, that's good. So that will go like that, I think. There now, Hal, aren't we? I mean, we're just snipping the last piece of chicken wire to size. So we've got it lined on the outside, all the posts are in, everything's screwed together. Got a bit of weed suppressant inside, pinned down and pegged to the ground. So yeah, it's about ready now. All we need is hours and hours of leaf sweeping, and I don't know, whatever it is, 40 trailers worth, or tractor trailers of leaves. But that's actually pretty good. Yeah, it's in the damn sight better state than the other one, so I'll have to fix that soon. But yeah, it looks all right to me. What do you reckon? Yay!